Hey guys, thank you for joining me. I am back today with a project share. So I made these shaker envelopes following I Am Absolutely Alice tutorial here on YouTube. So the first thing I did is I made a sequins mix. So I picked a few colors of sequins that I had in my stash that I think matches the collection. So I just picked a few colors, put them in here, added some gold sequins, and I was done. I was actually more focused on the sewing part and on the sound and movement part because it's actually my first time making a shaker project. So for the envelope, I used my mini envelope punch board, and I picked the size card 1.5 by 2. And then the punch board gives you the paper size you need to cut and how you need to score. And then I added a piece of mesh ribbon here for the layering, a couple of scraps paper. I added this rosette, so I made a few of these rosettes using a die that I had in my stash. The rosette size is about 1.5. You can definitely make a rosette just freehand. And I added a piece of thread here, my cord thread, and a couple of dots from with the Nouveau drops that I just got on scrapbook.com. This one is the Calming Aqua, and it's a blue, mint green, light blue, super cute. And that's it. And I made the couple, and this is how I packaged them. So I also wanted to jump the whole vinyl craze. So I used for this packaging, I used the I think it's called Page Wallets, and it's the vinyl sleeves in which you put your documents. So it's actually a tip from Emma. She's Project Sparkle here on YouTube and also on Instagram, and she made the tutorial on how to make these pouches using these Page Wallets. So I thought I would use one to package my envelope. So I just sewed with pink all around it. I added an eyelet here. One of my tassels that I picked on AliExpress, and I created this this dangle here using my my cord, so just a piece of cord, and the glass beads that I got from BeeBeeCraft. So I added these 3 colors, and then I needed to lock the beads in. So I created this, this, like, I don't know how I can call it, but I created this to kind of lock my beads in and also create a little loop that I can use to, well, to attach it to something. And I have the jump ring right here. So this is very easy to create. You will just need to take your cord, cut a few, I will show you very quickly, cut a few circles like that. And what you will do is that you will fold your circles in half. These circles measure 3/4 of an inch, and you want to make sure you have your pattern inside when you fold. So you want to cut 6 of these. For these, I cut 6 little circles that you fold in half. So you fold all 6 of them, and then you glue them. You glue on just one side. Just like that. And for this one, I picked 2 different patterns of paper. So you want to make sure that you alternate them. And then you do the same with all the other ones. So you're gonna add your other circle here, and you will keep going. And once you have all 6 of them, you will end up with something that looks like this, that's open and looks like this. And then here you will add your, you will create your loop. You can also use like baker's twine or whatever thread you want. You will create a loop right here, and you will tuck it inside here, just like so. You will tuck it in here. You will add a small dot of hot glue, and you will close it just like so. And here's your dangle with your loop inside. Well, of course you will need to thread your beads here. You can leave this one, you can leave this one hanging or cut it. For these I cut it because I prefer like this. And here we go, very quick, very nice dangle that you can create. And that's what I did for this packaging, and I think it turned out cute. I'm happy with it. So I hope you guys also like my project. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. Thank you. Bye bye.